Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says three randomly chosen non negative integers x, y, and z. So, non negative integers means 0 and positive integers are allowed. Found to satisfy this condition. So, the condition is x plus y plus z equals 10. So x can consume greater than equal to 0, y can consume greater than equal to 0, z can consume greater than equal to 0, and it is integers. Okay, then the probability that z is even is. Now look at this, how we will crack this question. Do you remember that we have studied in probability distribution of identical object to different peoples where we have distributed samosa, है ना? So we will apply that concept over here. Okay, so first find out total number of sample space. Okay, so we will distribute 10 samosa among 3 person. Okay, and 0 is allowed. So if 0 is allowed, we will ask for sticks. How many sticks? One stick less than the number of people. So there are 3 people. So you will ask for 2 sticks. Now you have altogether 12 objects. Out of those 12 objects, you will select those 2 sticks. So this is your total number of sample space. Okay, I hope the idea is clear. Now look at this. Now let's find out the number of favorable ways. Okay, now look at this. They want z to be even. So z can be even in this many cases. Suppose z is 0. So if z is 0, x plus y would be what? 10. Now we have to distribute 10 samosa to 2 people. So what we will do? We will ask for sticks. How many sticks? One less than the number of persons. So the number of person is 2. So we will ask for 1 sticks. So it is 11. And then we will select our stick 11C1. Okay, suppose that z is 2. So if z is 2, x plus y would be what? 8. Now we have 8 samosa to distribute among 2 people x and y where 0 is allowed. So we will ask for sticks. How many sticks? 1 sticks, 1 less than the number of persons. So 2 person, 1 stick. So it is 9C, we will select stick. Now suppose z is 4. So x plus y would become what? 6. So how many? So you have to distribute 6 samosa among 2 persons. So you will ask for sticks. So 1 stick, so 7. Now you will select your stick. Now z is 6. So if z is 6, so x plus y would become 4. Okay. Now, so you will ask for sticks. How many? 1. So 5. So 5c 1. Then z is 8. So suppose z is 8. So x plus y would end up being 2. So you will ask for 3c 1. Now suppose z is 10. So what you will do? X plus y equals to 0. So how many samosa? 0 samosa will be distributed among 2 person. So you will ask for sticks. How many? 1 less than the number of person. So that is 1. So it is 1C1. Okay. So this is your total number of favorable ways. Now let's find out required probability. Required probability would become 11C1 11 9 7 5 3 1 upon 12C2. 12C2. You have to simplify this thing to find out the required result. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.